It's wash day and I'm here at Target trying to figure out what product I want to try this week. So let's get after it. Look like a ninja, baby. Yeah.
Get that money. I gotta get it. Get that money. I gotta get it all the time. I got it.
Alright guys, I just washed my hair with Not Your Mother's Curltalk Curl Care Shampoo. I'm going to start with water, of course, make sure my hair is nice and wet, and go ahead with the 3-in-1 conditioner. Detangle well, of course, and then I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Curltalk Curl Activating Mousse. Now I'm going to apply that to the hair. When I shook it up, it came out a little watery. However, it glided through my hair well. The technique that I'll be using is the claw method. I'm going to go ahead and show you again. Take a small section, apply the mousse, work it through my hair, and use the claw method. Now I'm just going to repeat this over and over again until I'm done. When I applied the Curltalk 3-in-1 conditioner, I was heavy-handed with it. If you put just a little in it, you won't have as much slip as you would like, but I was heavy-handed with it and it gave me exactly what I was looking for. Alright guys, it's time to get dry. So you can air dry or diffuse. I chose to diffuse to get it done fast, honey. Thank you guys so much for watching the review on Not Your Mother's Curltalk. I absolutely enjoyed these products, but the number one, my favorite product was the mousse. It elongated my curls and gave it length. I really enjoyed it. I normally have to bind my hair with these all the way down just to give it the length. However, I didn't have to do any of that. I diffused my hair and that was it. But slap a little gel on the side and that was the end, honey. All of this with little effort. So kudos to the Curltalk mousse. I enjoyed it. Honorable mentions, however, this is the start of the show. She did that. Let's get into wash day.